Pictograms. Even if you're just entering the workforce, it's very likely that you've already seen some of the images displayed within pictograms. These images can sometimes be found on household products that you buy often and possibly use on a regular basis. WHMIS pictograms are simple graphic images that vividly highlight the types of hazards present in various hazardous products. The standardized pictograms act as visual, easy-to-understand tools for helping workers immediately identify the types of hazards present in certain products. A quick glance at a pictogram will alert the user of the hazardous products and potential dangers and compel them to take the necessary precautions. Except for the biohazardous infectious materials pictogram, all of the WHMIS pictograms are made of a distinctive red diamond border and have this symbol representing the hazard associated with the product inside the border. Together, the border and the symbol are called a pictogram and are assigned to a specific hazard category or class. Let's review each of the WHMIS pictograms to understand what they mean. Gas cylinder. The gas cylinder pictogram or symbol indicates gases under pressure, including compressed gas, liquefied gas, refrigerated liquefied gas, and dissolved gas. All compressed gases are hazardous because of the high pressures inside the cylinders. Even at relatively low pressure, gas can flow rapidly from an open or leaking cylinder. Flame. The flame pictogram indicates that a product is flammable. Flammable substances can ignite very easily and will burn very vigorously when ignited. You must exercise extreme caution while working with or around flammable materials and keep them away from ignition sources at all times. Flame over circle. Materials displaying the flame over circle pictogram are considered oxidizing substances. While not flammable on their own, products displaying this pictogram or symbol will provide the oxygen necessary to fuel fires. Oxidizing materials are not limited to one state of matter. They can be in the form of liquids, solids, and gases. Corrosion. The corrosion pictogram indicates that the materials can cause corrosive damage to metals as well as skin and eyes. Damage caused by these chemicals is usually permanent. Significant precautions should always be taken to ensure corrosive materials do not come in contact with unprotected parts of your body. Skull and crossbones. The skull and crossbones indicate that a substance is toxic. Toxic substances can harm or kill living organisms if ingested or inhaled. Additionally, these substances can cause problems with the respiratory system, leading to breathing difficulties that can result in death. Exclamation mark. This pictogram lets the user of a product know that the chemical is an irritant. These substances typically cause soreness or redness to the skin and cause it to become irritated. It should be noted that irritant substances do not necessarily have hazards of low severity, as they can cause acute toxicity if inhaled or ingested. Health hazards. Substances displaying the health hazards pictogram can pose several health hazards and have the ability to physically damage or potentially kill an animal or a human. These substances should never be inhaled or ingested under any circumstances. Exploding bomb. The exploding bomb pictogram indicates that the materials are explosive or highly reactive. Quite simply, these products can be self-reactive and can explode if handled improperly. Biohazardous infectious materials. Materials displaying the biohazardous infectious materials symbol are organisms or the toxins they produce that can cause disease in people or animals. This is an original WHMIS 1988 symbol that has not changed with the recent updates to WHMIS. Environmentally damaging. Substances displaying this pictogram can kill or damage living things within an ecosystem or environment.